Hi guys, thanks for pressing a button to watch this tutorial. We're gonna be using some glitter as this is a glitter season, although this makeup look is suitable for any party makeup look if you wish, because we're gonna do a classic kinda-ish makeup look. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, there's a button in there where you can press it right now. But honestly, I would appreciate that so much if you would press the button and subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's start our makeup look, right? To begin with, I'm gonna prime my eyelids. So for that, I'm just gonna use the concealer. I'm gonna use Fast Base Concealer by Makeup Revolution. Just gonna apply on my lid, blend it, and then apply some setting powder. If you see some glitter parts on my face, it's because I just removed this makeup look of my face. So I filmed another makeup look that is perfectly suitable for hooded eyes party makeup look that involves the glitter as well. And as I just cleaned off my makeup, still some glitter all over my face. So if some glitter is reflecting, it's because of that makeup look. And you can find the link for that video in the eye on the right hand side. Let's apply a bit of setting powder. I'm gonna use a NYX HD finishing powder. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create first like a cut crease part, which might sound hard, but honestly it's super easy. For this look, I think I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. I'm gonna start from this warm light brown color and then move on with orangey in a darker one. So I'm taking small dense brush. This one is a smudge brush by Real Techniques. The reason I'm taking a small dense brush is I could be more accurate by doing the cut crease part. So keeping my eyes open and going higher than my creases. I'm not going super precise yet or anything because we can clean this up later. So moving on, taking the orangey color, the same brush. Then taking the darker color in exactly the same place. Taking the fluffier brush, just gonna blend these colors. As you see, I'm dragging a little bit to the outer corner because we still don't have any foundation. So if it's too much, we can always clean up. So I'm just blending these colors. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna clean up the cut crease part. This honestly was like super fast. So taking the same concealer by Conceal and Define by Makeup Revolution, the small dense brush, you can use the eyeliner brush. I'm gonna take some on the brush and then clean up the crease part. Try to keep your eyes open so you see exactly where your eye crease is. Alright, so I did exactly the same on this eye. If you think that something looks different, it's because I fixed my eyebrows because that was annoying me. I used the Revolution Pro eyebrow cushion in chocolate to do so because, as I mentioned, I just cleaned off all my makeup because I filmed this makeup look and I kind of semi-cleaned off my eyebrows, so that was a bit irritating me, so eyebrows in place now. Alright, so next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna move on with glitter. So I think we're gonna apply a bit of a shimmered down pigment by NYX in color Nude, which is basically a gold one. I did a review on this. That was a part of a Sprinkle Town collection. The link is in the eye in the right corner. We're gonna apply all over the mobile lid. Ooh, I like it, and how quick was the application. I kind of thinking now to leave it like this because I was planning to apply the glitter. I kind of like it like this. To glitter or not to glitter? That's the question. Although this glitter pigment is perfection actually. I think I might just leave it like this. What's your thoughts on that, guys? What's your thoughts? Because originally I thought this is gonna be a base and then go with this glitter. Do you know what? I think I'm gonna leave at the moment, at least like this, and I'm gonna jump in and apply the eyeliner. So we're gonna go for the thick, bold eyeliner. For that I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution eyeliner in a Renaissance Flick, as this was more like a pen, so if you're a beginner, you don't know how to apply eyeliner, this is the easiest thing to use. So if you have hooded eyes like I do, start with your eyes open, like you would normally be, and draw a flick and later kind of do that to that thing. I think I'm gonna leave this pigment on without adding a glitter because now it looks like a proper classic glam look, so I think I'm just gonna stick with that. Plus it's enough shimmer. I don't know if you guys see it through a camera lens, but what I see in the mirror, it's definitely a lot of shimmer going on. So I'm coming back to the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette, taking this color and gonna go on my lower lash line. And then taking this dark brown color and gonna go on the outer corners of my lower lash line and just smudge the color in and blend it together, honestly. I'm going very, very, very close to the lash line and then blending the color out. We're nearly done with the eyes. Another thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. I'm going to use Warp and Hide by NYX and apply on the lower lash line as I have my lash extensions, so I don't really need mascara or falsies on my top lash line. If I would be you, I would go with falsies as it's more of a party look and I think falsies looks nicer, but it's totally up to you. Let's do a face, lips, and we're gonna be done. So for our face, I'm gonna start with a primer. I'm gonna use the NYX Pore Filler. So for my foundation today, I'm gonna use a NYX Can't Stop One Stop in color medium olive. I've been obsessed with this foundation recently, actually. Gonna quickly set this up with NYX HD Finishing Powder. So I think before we're gonna go bronzing, blushing, and highlighting, we could actually do the lipstick part. So I'm gonna go with Romantic Bear by Varla Cosmetics red lipstick because I think this makeup look suits red lipstick so much. What do you think, guys? This one, by the way, is waterproof, smudge proof, kiss proof, and all. I did the review. I think red lip goes so good with this eye makeup look. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below, let me know. You probably could go with a nude lip as well, or like some shimmery lip glitter or something. As it's officially glitter season and you can wear as much glitter as you wish without being judged by some weirdos. Serious question, guys. Who thinks that makeup is therapeutic? Because I do. I honestly relax so much while doing makeup because it's a form of the art, isn't it? So if you agree with that, leave a comment down below, let me know. Let's do a little bit of contour, bronzing, blusher, and highlight. So I'm gonna go with Urban Decay Naked Flush Native palette, compact palette that has all three things in one. You can tell how much I love it because it's nearly gone. I've been literally obsessed with this palette. It's so handy because all three things are in one palette, so don't need to carry much. and the makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you guys found it helpful and you're gonna go and recreate this makeup look. If so, please tag me in your pictures as I would love to see those. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I would really appreciate that. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next on my channel. Would you like more tutorials, more reviews, or yeah? Leave a comment down below and let me know. And I'll see you soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Check it out.